equation of the ellipse in the form x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1 if center is equal to 2 comma minus 1 and one end of major axis 2 comma minus 5 and e is equal to 1 by 3. For that first we are drawing the shape of the ellipse here. So for that first we take the coordinate axis. These are the coordinate axis, x axis, y axis. Given that center is equal to 2 comma minus 1. 2 minus 1. The point is like that. This is the center and one end of major axis 2 comma minus 5. That is 2 comma minus 5. This is 2 comma minus 5. So center one end of the major axis. So clearly the shape of the ellipse is like that. So given that this is 2 comma minus 1. Center is equals to 2 comma minus 1 and this is the major axis. Now the endpoints are taken as b dash comma b and given that coordinates of b dash is equals to 2 comma minus 5. In this case we take the equation of the ellipse is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equals to 1 where a less than b. This is the shape of the ellipse in the second case. So we take the condition a less than b. So already you know that the length of the major axis is equals to 2b here and the distance between these 2 points is equals to b. So what is the distance value? Minus 5 plus 1, 4. Therefore b is equals to 4 here. Here already given that a is equals to 1 by 3. A is equals to 1 by 3. Now we find the value of a square by using the formula a square is equals to b square into 1 minus a square. After that we are substituting all these values in this formula to get the required answer. That is the procedure. So clearly from the diagram we have that b is nothing but the distance between these 2 points. Therefore b is equals to distance between these two, that is minus 1 plus 5 is equals to 4. Already given that e is equals to 1 by 3. Now it is enough to find the value of a. Now use the formula a square is equals to b square into 1 minus a square, that is 16 into 1 minus 1 by 9 equals to 16 into 8 by 9, that is 128 by 9. This is b square value. Therefore equation of ellipse is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equals to 1. Now replacing the values, this is h comma k. Here 2 comma minus 1 is nothing but h comma k, that is x minus 2 whole square by a square 128 by 9 plus y minus minus 1 y plus 1 whole square by b square, b is equals to 4, 16 equals to 1. 9 into x minus 2 whole square by 128 plus y plus 1 whole square by 16 is equals to 1. Now taking LCM we get 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus 8 into y plus 1 whole square is equals to 128. This is the required answer. Next problem, find the equation of the ellipse in the form x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equals to 1 if center is equal to 4 comma minus 1 and one end of major axis is minus 1 and passing through the point 8 comma 0. So given that center is equal to 4 comma minus 1, one end of the major axis is given. So by using those two values for axis, so the first point is 4 comma minus 1, 4 minus 1. This is the first point. And the second point is minus 1 comma minus 1. This is minus 1, minus 1. This is the second point. So center one end. Given that center is equal to 4 comma minus 1, this is 4 comma minus 1 and one end of major axis is minus 1, minus 1. This is minus 1 comma minus 1 which is a dash. Now this point is equals to a. So given that center is equals to 4 comma minus 1, end of the major axis is minus 1 comma minus 1. Now clearly the distance between these 2 points is nothing but a, since this is the shape of the first type. So here we take the equation of ellipse as x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equals to 1 where a greater than b. This is the first case, a greater than b, and in this case we use the formula b square is equals to a square into 1 minus e square. Now these are all the formulas which are related to this shape. So clearly here a is nothing but the distance between these 2 points, that is a is equals to, here a is equals to, simply we take the distance between these 2 points, that is 4 minus minus 1, 4 plus 1 equals to 5, a is equals to 5. Now we want to find the value of b. Equation of ellipse is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square equals to 1. What is h comma k? 4 comma minus 1. And what is a value? 5. Already we know that x comma y is equals to 8 comma 0. So Given that ellipse passes through the point 8 comma 0, so we take that point as x comma y. Now replacing all those points here, x minus h, 8 minus 4 whole square by a square, 25, plus y minus k, 0 minus of minus 1, 0 plus 1 whole square by b square is equals to 1. 8 minus 4, 4 square, 16 by 25. 16 by 25 plus 1 by b square is equals to 1. Therefore, the value of 1 by b square is equals to 1 minus 16 by 25, that is 1 by b square is equals to 9 by 25. Then the value of b square is equals to 25 by 9. Now we are substituting these two values in the ellipse equation to get the required answer. That is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equals to 1. That is x minus h value 4. X minus 4 whole square by a square. A is equals to 5. 25 plus y minus k whole square. Y minus minus 1. Y plus 1 whole square by b square. 25 by 9 equals to 1. Which implies x minus 4 whole square by 25 plus 9 into y plus 1 whole square by 25 equals to 1. Now by taking LCM we get the answer as x minus 4 whole square plus 9 into y plus 1 whole square equals to 25. That's all. Next problem, find the equation of the ellipse in the form x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equals to 1. If center is equal to 0, minus 3, eccentricity e is equal to 2 by 3 and semi-minor axis is equals to 5. So given that center, eccentricity and semi-minor axis, now we want to find the equation of the ellipse. Now here we can take the equation of the ellipse in any of the two forms, either in the case a greater than b or in the case a less than b. So we will solve the problem in two cases. In the first case we take that a greater than b, and in the second case we take that a less than b. So first we are solving the problem in the first case, case 1. In the case 1 we are taking the equation of ellipse as x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equals to 1, a greater than b. Now we are writing the given data. Given that center is equals to 0, minus 3, that is h, k is equals to 0, minus 3, and eccentricity e is equals to 2 by 3, and semi-minor axis. Semi-minor axis means this is the first case. In the first case we take that is semi-minor axis value is equals to b. Minor axis is equals to 2b. Semi-minor axis means half of the value. That is b is equals to 5. Already here we have that h, k value, b value. Now we want to find the value of a only. So we are finding the value of a by using the formula b square is equals to a square into 1 minus c square. Now replacing the values, 25 is equals to a square into 1 minus 4 by 9. That is 25 is equals to a square into 5 by 9. Which implies the value of a square is equals to 45. Therefore equation of ellipse is x minus h whole square, x minus 0 whole square by a square, 45 plus y minus k whole square, y plus 3 whole square by b square, 25 equals to 1. That is x square by 45 plus y plus 3 whole square by 25 equals to 1. That's all. This is the first case. In case we take the equation of the ellipse as x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1 when a less than b. Now in this case, given that h, k is equal to 0, minus 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Semi-minor axis. In the second case, the semi-minor axis is taken as a. A is equals to 5. In the second case, length of the major axis 2b, length of the minor axis 2a. Here semi-minor axis, that is a is equal to 5. Now here we have the a value, h, k values. It is enough to find the value of b. Now we are finding the value of b by using the formula a square is equals to b square into 1 minus c square. Now replacing the values. A is equals to 5. A square 25 is equals to b square into 1 minus 4 by 9. That is 25 is equals to b square into 5 by 9. Therefore the value of b square is equals to 45. Right. Therefore equation of ellipse is x minus h whole square, that is x minus 0 whole square by a square, 25 plus y plus 3 whole square by 45 equals to 1. Which implies x square by 25 plus y plus 3 whole square by 45 equals to 1. That's all. This is the second answer. Next problem, find the equation of the ellipse in the form x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. if center 2 comma minus 1 e is equal to 1 by 2 and length of the lattice rectum is equal to 4. So given that center, eccentricity, length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum is, here we have two formulas for length of the lattice rectum. In the first case we take the formula 2b square by a, and in the second case we take the formula 2a square by b. So here we solve this problem in two cases. So first we take the first case. Let equation of ellipse be x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1 when a greater than b. This is the first case. So already given that center is equals to 2 comma minus 1. Eccentricity E is equals to 1 by 2 and length of the lattice rectum is equals to 4. A greater than B, first case. In the first case we take the length of the lattice rectum is 2b square by a, that is 2b square by a is equals to 4, which implies b square is equals to 2a. And what is b square formula? B square is equals to a square into 1 minus a square, since this is the first case, equals to 2a, that is a into, what is e value? 1 by 2, that is 1 minus 1 by 4 is equals to 2. Here a into 3 by 4 is equals to 2, then the value of a is equals to 8 by 3. Now b square is equals to, already here we have that b square is equals to 2a, b square is equals to 2a, then 2 into 8 by 3 equals to 16 by 3. Therefore the value of a square is equals to 64 by 9 and the value of b square is equal to 16 by 3. Therefore equation of ellipse is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equals to 1. Now replacing the values, x minus 2 whole square by 64 by 9 plus y plus 1 whole square by 16 by 3 equals to 1. That is 9 into x minus 2 whole square by 64 plus 3 into y plus 1 whole square by 16 equals to 1. By taking LCM we get the answer as 9 into x minus 2 whole square plus 16 fours, that is 12 into y plus 1 whole square is equals to 64. That's all. This is the answer. In the second case, we take the equation of ellipse by x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1 when a less than b. So clearly given that center is equals to 2 comma minus 1 and e is equal to 1 by 2, length of the lattice rectum. In the second case, we take the length of the lattice rectum formula as 2a square by b equals to 4. That is a square is equals to 2b. But what is a square value? A square is equals to b square into 1 minus e square, since this is the second case, which implies b into 1 minus e square. E is equals to 1 by 2, that is e square 1 by 4. Now b into 3 by 4 is equals to 2, then the value of b is equals to 8 by 3. Now replacing the values in the ellipse equation. Therefore equation of ellipse B x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equals to 1. That is x minus 2 whole square by, here a square is equals to 2b, that is 2 into 8 by 3 equals to 16 by 3. The formula here we have that a square is equals to 2b, that is 16 by 3. Now a square value 16 by 3 plus y plus 1 whole square by b square 64 by 9 equals to 1, which implies 3 into x minus 2 whole square by 16 plus 9 into y plus 1 whole square by 64 equals to 1. Now taking LCM we get the answer 12 into x minus 2 whole square plus 9 into y plus 1 whole square equals to 64. That's all.